Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Trade by Numbers. My name is Josiah and I trade stocks and cryptocurrencies for a living. Now, if you've been following me, you know the drill. If you hate making money, this is not the channel for you. If you like making money, if you like learning more about stocks, crypto investing, and how to become financially free, then you're going to want to hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. And do me a favor, hit that like button. This information is not to be hoarded and profited on by a few people. I'm out there to try to change the lives of everyone who would like to reach financial freedom. And the more we get this message out and the more people start to understand this, that's how we change the game. That's how we shift from the slavery system that most people live their lives in to a system of people creating and benefiting everyone. That's what I'm on here to do. So if you like that, hit the like button. Help me get these videos out to more people. Let's talk about the market. Markets did pretty much exactly what we expected of them today. SPY down 1.24%. I'm sorry. Dow Jones down 1.10, and the Nasdaq down 1.35%. So we had the market dive off just like we expected. We talked about buying into the SQQQ this morning. I picked that up at 55.65. Recommended it on my morning video before the market opened. Sure enough, run up, did very well. There's a support level right there at $58. We tested that. We held that. I said ultimately I was expecting it to go to about $60. I'll probably look at taking profit, a little short of that. Like I always say, when I talk about resistance and support, I usually look to buy just right above the resistance. I usually look to take profit right below that support. That way, if we don't quite hit it, then we got it. I'm not out there trying to milk every penny I can get, just out there trying to make a living like so many people. We want to make sure that we're constantly taking our profits, making profit on plays, not holding out, trying to get every penny we can get, and then having it turn the other way and go down on us. So I'm still holding that position. I still think that it could move up, get closer to that $60 mark. We could have a bad day in the market tomorrow, maybe Friday have a little bit of a sell-off. So hoping to get it up there closer to that $59 mark, maybe a little bit over. However, if it looks like it's showing weakness, if we're looking good in the morning, I may go ahead and take profit right where it's at and look to buy in at a little bit better price if that's what the market gives us the ability to do. That's why you have to be fluid as a trader. You have to be able to look at every situation and figure what you're going to do. If you're a long-term holder, you can set price points and say, I'm going here to here. But when you're trading, if you want to maximize your profits, you've got to be willing to say, hey, I can take profit here, I can buy back in even lower and make that profit again or maybe even more. With that being said, we're up over 4% on the play and I'm very happy with it at this point. And we went over where I expect to see the market go over the next few weeks. So with that being said, I don't normally trade options. I don't talk about options too much on this channel because options is something that you really have to have a pretty firm understanding of. I'm trying to show you how to get started in trading and how to hold actual assets. The downside of options is they expire. You get caught in a stock, you don't have an expiration date. You can hold, you can wait. So I don't normally talk about options on here, but I did go ahead and take a couple of options contracts on the SPY today, and I was able to pick them up. They're already up over 20% since I picked them up today around dinner, so very happy with that. And, I decided to do it because I already said that I'm not going to be day trading too much over the next few days. I figured I've got this money here, I might as well put it to work. So that's why I went ahead and done that. If that's something that sounds interesting to you, it's something that you have to get a firm understanding of. If you want to understand it more, I'll be glad to help you the best I can, but I really want to keep this channel set up for how to invest and how to do it as safe as you possibly can and still get those great returns. That's what I've founded this channel on. I know there's a lot of gurus out there trying to sell you on something going to blow up 1,000%. I want to see you keep your portfolio safe and growing. That's how we become millionaires. That's how we become financially free. You can be a millionaire. If you're a gambler, you could lose it all. I don't want to make gamblers. I want to make smart investors, and that's what I'm going to continue to do on here. So I'm going to wrap it up. I'm going to leave it right there for the evening. Make sure and catch me in the morning before market open. We'll go over how the market's looking. We'll see if there's some plays to be set up, see if we need to swing out of the SQQQ, maybe buy back in tomorrow afternoon or something. We'll make those decisions based on what the market gives us. We're going to roll with the punches and be ready for whatever comes, and we're going to make some money doing it. That's what I got for you. Be blessed, and remember, never trade with your emotions. Always trade by the numbers.